Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with setting up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online Accountant, you know how time-consuming and confusing it can be, especially when managing multiple clients. Well, today I'm going to show you how to create chart of accounts templates in QuickBooks Online Accountant for 2025, a full updated guide that will make your accounting process faster, cleaner, and more organized than ever. So stick with me till the end because I've got a few pro tips that will save you a ton of time. First, let's talk about what a chart of accounts COA is. In QuickBooks, it's the backbone of your accounting system. It's where all your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses are organized. When you have a good COA template, it ensures consistency across clients and makes your financial reporting seamless. Access. QuickBooks Online Accountant, log in to your QuickBooks Online Accountant dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Your Books section if you want to create a standard template for your own use, or choose a client file if you're setting it up for a specific client. Go to Chart of Accounts. From the left-hand menu, select Accounting, Chart of Accounts. Here you'll see the existing accounts listed. If you're creating a template from scratch, click on New to add accounts manually. Design your template. This is where the magic happens. For each account, select account type, e.g., expense, income, bank, credit card. Detail type for more specific categorization. Name and description, make it client-friendly and clear. Build your template step by step. Start with the essentials like bank accounts, credit cards, income, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and taxes. Save and reuse your template. Once you've built the full structure, you can export your chart of accounts list or use it as a master template for future clients. QuickBooks Online Accountant lets you import this template to other client files, so you're not recreating everything from scratch. This is a massive time saver for accountants handling multiple businesses. And that's it. Now you know how to create and manage a chart of accounts template in QuickBooks Online Accountant for 2025, efficient, clean, and ready for multiple clients. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more accounting and QuickBooks tutorials. Got any questions or want me to create a ready-to-import template for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.